How can you get to your Twitch recap? I'm gonna go to Twitch here. What you can do is click on follow, and where you follow people, you have Twitch recap right here. And you can click on show me. You're gonna go to this page. You can also go to twitch.tv/recap/animal. I'll leave the link to that underneath in the description. And then here you have a couple tabs: community, viewer, streamer. So there's different stats here. So community, that's just the whole of Twitch. There are 21 billion hours watched on Twitch, for example. If you go to viewer, this is your viewer experience. I'm modded in 6 channels. We can see that Tom here, Tom Full Titters, is my favorite streamer. If we go to streamer here, we can see stats about our own stream. We did I needed to do 2 more broadcasts, guys, for 69. 5,000 hours watched, clips created, highest concurrent viewership. If we go down, subscribers, new followers, we can see which are the top emotes used in our chat. That's the tree love and the tree sip. The tree sip people spam if my dad comes in and brings me tea, so it makes sense that this one is one of the popular ones. 90 gifted subs being gifted, and here we can see my top categories were Just Chatting, Detroit Become Human, Overcooked, and Pokemon. Because I played Just Chatting most, I was in the top 4% of the streamers in the Just Chatting category. We got this little image here, which contains all our stats, which we can download and share by clicking on this button underneath here. That's basically it. If you want to know more about Twitch, I do have a whole playlist about Twitch tutorials, so let's jump into it with me.